Hey everybody, folding collection knife video. I haven't made a vid and I haven't been too recent uploading just because YouTube's such a hassle now. And I feel bad not getting to respond to comments, but most of the time I'm trying to respond on the mobile and I don't have an inbox on the mobile anymore and YouTube's just going insane. But that's not what this video is about. I'm sure that you've seen those videos. This is about my folding knife collection. Yes, I downsized a lot. I used to have what I considered a medium-sized collection, which in the YouTube world, I guess it's a decent-sized collection. But I've really downsized now that I'm looking at it. I mean, for God's sakes, I had 30 Spydercos at one point. Not the Tenacious and all the different colors. But this first off, everybody has their box knives that you don't really carry. Well, this case and this Bucklite, what is this? Yeah, 422, nice little Bantam. But I'm gonna get to my my more fun, I guess, folders. The stuff I actually carry or just has a reason to be on here. And I also have fixed blades I carry and multi-tools, you know, fixed blades, multi-tools. Just, I'll make a separate video maybe on those, the fixed blade and multi-tools, but here is the folder collection. First up, I just wanted to throw this in there. This is just a little Kershaw Clash, has some rust. I just want to throw this in there because it's a great value knife, 26 bucks online I believe, maybe even 20. Nice actually knife, just has the bead blast. I just want to throw it in, I'm not going to keep it out. It's not a bad knife for the money. And then the first knife is Spyderco Native. This has a 440V, fully serrated, and I put this in here. I don't carry this, but this is actually a present from Glock 17 Ninja. This is a present he gave me. Glock 17 Ninja is an awesome guy. Love talking to him. We've had some good conversations. So go check out Glock 17 Ninja, and that is the first knife. So it fits in frame. And then I will have to show my Spyderco Manix 2 Lightweight. This is a great, in my opinion, budget folder, and great for the money. I believe this is 80 bucks, right around that, and for the money you really can't beat it. It's great. And the CTS BD1 steel has held up great in my opinion. It's just an overall nice knife. Spyderco Manix 2 Lightweight. One of the only Spydercos I kept. Actually, probably a couple more. Next up is the Ontario Rat 1. Kept this as a present from my little sister, so I had to keep it, and plus I actually really like it. It's exactly what I asked for. 30 bucks. You actually can't beat this. This is a way better value than the Clash. An awesome knife. And by the way, when I said my little sister, so I have to keep it, I would have kept it anyway, just because I like the knife. So it's the Ontario Rat 1. Next up is the Kershaw Buller. I de-assisted it. This is the carbon fiber handle with the stonewash blade. My dad gave this to me. I don't really carry it because of the pocket clip. Hopefully I can get that fixed. And when I took it apart, I stripped a bunch of the screws. It's horrible. I wish I would never taken it apart, but I did. As you can see. This is so weird now. My video's like changing in colors. But I wish I wouldn't have taken it apart and de-assisted it, but I did. And now the centering's off. So it stinks. But awesome knife. Then I have a H&K Scorch, also a present from my aunt. Not the fan of the serrated, but double action, pretty cool. In 680. That's CPM 154. Aussay CTS BD1 440V. Cool knife though. In case you didn't get to see the Rat 1's blade. Blur. Next up is the Spyderco Southern. This is pimped by a guy that lives near me, one of my buddies. He did this and I traded the PT for this. I really like this. Looks real nice. He did a really nice job anodizing in the scale. Flips real nice. This is Spyderco Southern. Fit. Alright. Next up is another Spyderco flipper. The Domino. It's also pimp. If you're on Instagram, you probably know what Pizza Bro Knife Selections is. Pizza Bro Knife Selection is. Zoom. It's not wanting to cooperate. Okay. CTS XHP. Really nice. Lightning strike carbon fiber. Flips better than the Southern. If you watch my comparison video, you'd know that. So that's the Spyderco Domino. I see all the colors changing. It's weird. Next up is a Emerson Commander. Also pimp by a fellow YouTuber and Instagrammer. Toxic Blades 01. Awesome dude. Really cool guy. Gotta go check him out. Really nice knife. Nice stonewash. Awesome handles. I carry this knife all the time. I mean all the time. Awesome knife. I love my Commander. Next up is Strider SNG. I actually have used this a good bit. Stab some stuff. The tip has a little damage, but I try to zoom in on that tip. As you can see, PD1 is pretty tough, but it still has a little lip right there where it kind of must have gone a weird way. But he convex the edge, so it's pretty awesome. PD1's pretty tough. Flame TI, Peak Gray. Nice knife. I really like the Strider too, I carry this a lot. And then last but certainly not least, large Sebenza 21. I also really like the Tanto on that actually. Really nice. Chris Reeve makes awesome knives. Some people don't like him as a person, but I don't know him as a person, so it's not my decision to judge him. But this is so smooth. Large Sebenza 21, you can't go wrong. It's a classic drop point blade. I bet California Prepper likes that blade shape. He's a classic drop point guy now. But I also want to say thanks to the YouTube community for supporting me. And Gaul coming soon, guys. Gaul. Giveaway coming soon. I've been on Instagram too much. Just going to show off this knife. So that is my current folding knife selection. I'm getting an SE6 tomorrow, so those of you who watch this already know it's coming tomorrow on the video. But thanks for watching, and catch you guys later. Love to see video response with your current folding knife collection.